Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about the microscope. Correct here? So micro means very small. Whenever we want to see the very small object or thing, then we can use the microscope. Okay. So microscope, in that different parts are there. The upper part is called the eyepiece lens. It is made up of convex lens. Okay. Here we have the adjacent screw. This part is called the adjacent screw, and here we have this part is the objective lens. Objective lens is also made up of convex lens. This all the lens are made up of convex lens. Okay, and here we have the slide are there, a small slide. Whenever you are going to check the blood, then doctor take your blood drop and put it on the that slide. Cover slip is also there. Down here we can see the one mirror is that mirror is called the concave mirror. Concave mirror is used by the dentist. Okay, whenever you just go to see inside of the microscope, then you have to maintain some distance from the microscope like that. Put your hand backside, your plates are there, hair plates backside, and you have to move in such a way that you will not touch any part of it, and just go inside. Then you can see the a very nice the blood cell of the frog. Okay, here we have maintained the fungi, and you can see the little bit patches of them. Okay, and it is a saprophytic mode of nutrition. So one by one come here and look inside.